welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia, and today I have a very special secondhand unboxing. So the title of this video is my most amazing and expensive secondhand purchase. And before I get into what exactly this purchase is, please take a moment to like this video, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to this channel. So, a little background on how this amazing yet expensive secondhand purchase came about. So, I'm sure you guys know about the app website, The RealReal, where they sell luxury and designer goods secondhand to shop more sustainably. So I had made, I think, 2 purchases prior to this one on The RealReal, one last year, one this year. And they were both sunglasses. They weren't too expensive. Both sunglasses were under, I think, $40. And I had used coupons and waited till everything was on sale. Okay, so that's my background with The RealReal. And also, this is not sponsored by The RealReal. They do not know who I am. But if, you want to sponsor me, yeah. Well, anyways. So, about a month ago, I purchased these jeans on The RealReal, but they were too big. So I had to return them, and since I had used the coupon, they gave me back what I actually had saved, but I only had 2 days to use the credit they had given me for my last purchase. So I was kind of torn between buying this item, this item that I really have been wanting since 2017, and buying something more affordable that I didn't really want but was cheaper, and I would spend less money on it, but I didn't want it as much, so I would just be buying something to use the credit they had given me. So last day that I had to spend my credit, I really just decided, I'm like, I really want these shoes. I've been wanting them for so long. They're in my size, they are super discounted than the original price, and even to what they normally sell for. So, what is this amazing shoe purchase? So, yeah, let me just show it to you guys, or show you. Or maybe I can just insert, I'll insert what they look like. So they are these amazing boots that Gucci came out with in 2017, and I remember being obsessed with them, but obviously not having like $1,000 to spend on them. And yeah, so I've always loved these shoes, but never in my wildest dreams thought I could ever have them. And yeah, so I had seen this style on The RealReal before, and it was not as discounted as the pair I got, which is just, it's like it's all meant to be. So let me just stop talking and show you the thing. So they come with this little pamphlet that, tells you that they authenticate every item. They thank you for shopping sustainably, giving a new life to luxury items, and, creating a positive impact on the planet and all that good stuff. And then you have your receipt and all that. So, it comes with this, but the box. I mean, I've never owned any designer luxury shoes, or anything for that matter. So I was just like, what is this? And yeah, so it comes in the original box. It is a little kind of beat up. It has a little sticker there, and I ripped into this box as soon as I got it. So let me try to show. So they come, you can't see them right now because they are in the little satin silky bags to keep them, protected. And it even comes with a anti-caking thing, and it's biodegradable cotton and natural clay instead of that silicone, stuff it normally is. But this is just like, I've never seen a biodegradable version of that. But anyways, so here's the bag. The bag is in pretty good condition. I mean, it is secondhand, so whoever owned these, I guess, never really wore them, but I definitely will. So, are you ready? Look at that. I mean, okay, so I'm just trying to see how I can best show how beautiful these shoes are. So it has this amazing like snake or some kind of creature on the buckle. Really beautiful. This gold embroidered little bee on the back, and it just has straps that go right up to the knee. Not only that, but look at this cool eye that it has inside the sole. And these soles, I mean, these soles don't look like they were ever walked on. They look brand new, like pristine. I don't think anybody ever wore these. So I got these in a size 4.5, which is my perfect size. I normally just buy a size 5, but ideally a 4.5 is like perfect for my feet. So that was another reason why I just went ahead and got these. They were 20% off. I had a store credit, and I knew that I probably wouldn't ever have the opportunity to get these. So this is the one pair, and then the other pair just looks, I mean, exactly the same. So yeah, just exactly the same, equally beautiful. They have a zipper in the back to help you kind of put them on, so it zips open. And I learned that you have to literally unbuckle, especially the last 3, to really get your foot in there. Because when I first got these, I was trying to put them on. I was like, oh my god, do these not fit? But they do. They fit perfect. You just have to unbuckle all these and, you know, just rebuckle and re-zip. So these are the Gucci Clear Core boots. I don't know what else to say except I love these shoes. I have no idea how I'm going to wear them, but just that I'm going to wear them every chance I get. And yeah, I've never had anything this fancy or expensive, and it just feels weird to have them, but I love them, and I love that they're secondhand, and that, you know, somebody didn't love them obviously, but I will get a lot of wear out of them. And yeah, I mean, definitely are my early birthday gift to myself, since they were pretty high price. I mean, when I was thinking about buying them or not buying them, I was like, well, they're about the price of 2 pairs of Doc Martens new, but these are secondhand, they're sustainable, and they're, I mean, I love my Doc Martens, but these are like on another level of amazing. But yeah, I mean, should I try them on? Yeah, I think I'm gonna try them on to show you what they look like. Here are the boots. Yeah, I mean, just the back. And the front. And just, I mean, they're amazing. Just, I can't say enough cool things about them. Just, they're the most unique shoes I have ever had, have ever seen, have ever tried on. So, this is what they look like. I haven't worn them anywhere, obviously, but I will definitely wear them around the house, see if they cause any blisters. I imagine they probably will. They do fit perfectly, so maybe that will help in not getting as many blisters, but they're amazing. Okay, so yeah, that has been my kind of dramatic, but not dramatic, amazing, most amazing and expensive secondhand purchase ever. I know it's a bit of a random video, and I originally was going to include these shoes in a upcoming thrift haul that's coming in a few weeks, but they're just so special that I just couldn't just lump them into a thrift haul. And yeah, I mean, they came with their original box. I was like, let me do an unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see a maybe styling video on how I style these boots. I definitely am going to do it anyways, but let me know if you want to see one. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.